The Unimailer. Since their invention, microscope slides have been shipped either by mail or courier, but also in carrying cases, pockets, shirts, or lab coats. Being very fragile, they need some protection in transit since in the event of breakage, they can easily injure someone. In the 20s, they were inserted between two carved pieces of wood. Apart from the construction material, these small slide mailers have evolved very little. At first, wood was used, then cardboard, and finally plastic. None of the available slide mailers are universal, and all existing models have some major disadvantages. Laboratories and distributors must keep in stock a significant inventory of models to accommodate 1, 2, 3, or 5 slides. Another disadvantage of these mailers is their brittleness. Although paperboard is relatively rigid, it can easily be twisted and slide breakage readily occurs. Paperboard is expensive, hard to clean, and it easily softens when it comes in contact with humidity, water, or immersion oil. Plastic slide mailers are usually made of very thin polypropylene, a material quite resistant to chemicals, but unfortunately quite flexible. Twisting a polypropylene slide mailer will easily break the slide. For 25 years, Symport has developed innovative disposable plasticware for laboratories and has noted important design flaws with existing slide mailers. After extensive studies, Symport has developed the Unimailer, a versatile and universal slide mailer. This improved mailer is well adapted to the needs of modern laboratories. Thanks to the Unimailer, slide handling and mailing is now made easy and efficient. By stacking up individual Unimailer units, you can build a protective case for 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, or even 25 slides. The flexibility of its design gives the Unimailer a striking advantage over older models. High rigidity is ensured by the type of plastic material used and by its reinforced construction and thick walls. Although the Unimailer is not autoclavable, it is made entirely of a high-density plastic material, allowing a greater resistance to various chemicals and liquids, including immersion oil. Being universal and easily assembled, the Unimailer eliminates the need for keeping in stock various slide mailer sizes and styles. Assembly is made easy and convenient. Insert in a Unimailer the slide you want to protect. Place a second Unimailer on the first one approximately halfway so that the grooves of both units fit into each other. Slide the top unit forward until a click is heard, ensuring that the system is securely locked and the slide well protected. One of the most important features of this innovative slide mailer is its locking mechanism. It must be simple, highly secure, and should not open by itself. Once that click is heard, you can rest assured that the Unimailer will not open inadvertently and will fully protect your valuable slides. To remove a slide from the Unimailer, hold the units in your right hand and, with your left thumb, lower the locking tab located in front of the unit holding your slide. By doing so, you will disengage the locking mechanism. Keeping your left thumb in this position, simply slide the upper unit backward with your right thumb and remove. You now have access to your slide. Use the same technique should you want to remove as many slides as needed, always using your left thumb to unlock and your right thumb to slide back the upper unit. Using the Unimailer allows an easy way to readily access any slides you need while keeping all other slides safely stored away from dust and outside contamination. An added feature of the Unimailer allows a tamper-proof tie to be inserted through a hole in each unit, thus guaranteeing that no unauthorized person has opened the Unimailer without leaving a trace. The humpback design inside the Unimailer makes slide handling easy. Pressing lightly on one end of the slide will raise the other end, thus ensuring its rapid removal. Slides can also be inserted easily and are well protected during transport since very little movable space is left in the Unimailer, thereby avoiding shaking of the contents and potential breakage. The Unimailer is available in 5 pastel colors, matching the color coding system used by slide manufacturers. These different colors may also be used to help the laboratory in differentiating slides by department, day of week, type of samples, and so on. The Unimailer has 4 frosted areas you can write on 3 sides and on top. Relevant information can be registered using either a lead pencil or a felt tip pen with alcohol base. A sticky label can also be placed on top of the Unimailer. Also, a note can be inserted under each slide. Each Unimailer unit measures only 29 by 89 millimeters and is only 6 millimeters thick. With only a single product, you can create a slide mailer meeting all of your requirements from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 25 slides. The Unimailer is of solid and rigid construction, resistant to shock and other types of possible transit abuse. This mailer provides optimal protection for fragile objects such as thin glass slides. The Unimailer comes with a simple, effective locking device, therefore eliminating the possibility of accidental opening. The Unimailer has the unique feature of allowing access to any given slide individually, while at the same time protecting the other slides from exterior contaminants. The interior design of the Unimailer is constructed with minimal movable space, thus eliminating the possibility of excessive shaking and potential breakage during transit. The Unimailer's original humpback concept allows for easy removal of individual slides. The Unimailer is available in a variety of colors to facilitate codification. The entire surface of the Unimailer has a frosted finish to write on for slide identification. A space is also available on top to write additional information if required. Importantly, the Unimailer requires you to stock only one product, resulting in a reduction in inventory and the related cost, and more importantly, the assurance that you will always have the right mailer, regardless of the number of slides you want to transport. Simport represents 25 years of continuous research and development of innovative disposable plasticware for the modern laboratory. These products have been designed by dedicated people who are conscious of the real needs of the laboratory. Simport also represents 25 years of great pride and motivation in the manufacturing of products which are recognized throughout the world as being of the highest quality and offering the laboratory professionals the right tools to fulfill their multiple and diverse requirements. Should you have any questions or inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact your local distributor or communicate with one of our customer service specialists at 450-464-1723 or by fax at 450-464-3394 or also by email at marketing@simport.com. We invite you to visit our website, www.simport.com, to obtain further information on our full line of items for clinical, research, educational, and industrial laboratories.